Hello and welcome once again aboard JulieCity. As usual, I'm always excited to be here and I'm glad you are here. Thank you so much for clicking in to watch today's juice recipe. And today I've done it slightly differently by doing a voiceover. That is because I had a juice disaster today and I will leave it to the end. Let's just watch and we'll get there. So, and the recipe for today is our honeydew melon. Yes, that's the main thing for today. And the honeydew melon is one of the numerous types of melon in the market. Of course, the popular one is watermelon. However, I've tried a few of them and I've just chosen this one, not in any particular order or for any particular reason, but I'm trying them out, experimenting them. One thing I know, every single type of melon is highly nutritious, and our concept here is taking care of our health, healthy eating, healthy living. The melody melon is our key ingredient for today's recipe, followed by every other ingredient, fruits and vegetables that if you have been following me on this channel, you should be used to them by now. And there are 3 recipes as you can see from the laid out bowl, 1, 2 and 3. Let's watch and see. I will still put the names as we get along and some music for us to enjoy as we work, and I will come back to you. Juliet, don't do that. Stop, stop, stop. Oh no. Oh. Honestly, I tasted this after this mixture and it was ew. Maybe you will like it, but for me, I'm not adding powdered turmeric and black pepper into this particular recipe next time. Probably I will try the fresh one, but it wasn't the best of ideas at all. It tasted terrible. Anyway, experience, they say, is the best teacher. Now I know what to do and what not to do. For the rest of the juices, they were absolutely tasty and of course full of nutrients up until I made this wrong decision. Anyways, we always learn by experience. Experience, they say, is the best teacher. So next time I know what to do and what not to do. And that is it, my disastrous juice story. Till I see you next time, don't forget, your health is your wealth. Remember, if you've not subscribed up to this point, please click on that red subscribe button. Click the bell icon so that you get notifications for all my uploads and you won't miss a thing. Please like if you have not done so, and share. Leave your comments. Bye bye.